At Acronis, we know the difficulties manufacturing companies face. We understand that there is a critical concern that affects manufacturers worldwide: the need for continuous uptime on the manufacturing floors. In industries where minutes of downtime can translate into millions of dollars lost in production, capacity, labor cost, and reputational damage, finding a solution becomes paramount. As factories become increasingly automated, there are new challenges being faced in maintaining operational technology and purpose-built machines and processes. The reliability of these systems is essential, as any issues can bring an entire factory floor to a grinding halt. However, many data protection vendors have discontinued their support for older workstations, servers, and applications, leaving manufacturers vulnerable and unable to restore their systems quickly. Acronis has not forgotten these older systems and applications. With our comprehensive backup support for a range of common workstation and server operating systems, including those no longer supported by their vendors, we can have you and your company back up and running within minutes. How do we accomplish this? By creating a live server, workstation, or virtual machine as a swift replacement for your failed device. You can now rely on employees on the manufacturing floor rather than on your local IT support, as Acronis is simple and intuitive to use and will handle the restoration process for you. Our commitment to round-the-clock support ensures that you can resume business operations regardless of when disaster strikes. We understand that the cost of unplanned downtime can be devastating for manufacturers, with estimates ranging from $10,000 to $260,000 per hour of downtime. With the Acronis Cyber Protect solution, we offer a unique combination of broad platform support, reliability, and simplicity, providing complete data protection and fast, reliable recovery for manufacturing OT environments. Our solution is capable of restoring failed systems to dissimilar hardware, including bare metal physical workstations and servers, allowing you to swiftly resume production. Trusted by over 500,000 businesses worldwide, our platform offers easy, efficient, and secure backup for more than 21 platforms, including various versions of Windows, Linux, and virtualization platforms such as VMware, vSphere, Microsoft Hyper-V, Red Hat Virtualization, and Oracle VM Server. If you're seeking a solution to your backup and recovery challenges, I invite you to visit our website to learn more about how Acronis can assist you. We are here to support you in ensuring continuous uptime on your factory floor, minimizing downtime, and safeguarding your profitability.